कैसे हैं आप सब? आई होप ऑल ऑफ यू आर डूइंग एब्सोल्युटली फाइन। चलिए, तो एक्सेप्ट रिक्वेस्ट। नो सर, दिस इज फ्रीकी फ्राइडे। आपको जो भी बात करनी है प्लीज कमेंट सेक्शन में राइट इट डाउन, और मुझसे आप पूछ सकते हैं जो भी आपको बात करनी है। आप कमेंट सेक्शन में लिख दीजिए प्लीज। कैसे हो आप? मैं बिल्कुल बढ़िया हूँ सर, आप कैसे हैं? ओके, हेलो, हाय दिव्यांश, गर्ग दिव्यांश, हेलो। हाँ जी, तो कैसे हैं आप सब? मेरे पास 2 रिक्वेस्ट आई हुई हैं, देखते हैं। और आप लोग जो हैं, सी दिस इज फ्रीकी फ्राइडे, तो मयूर जी आपकी रिक्वेस्ट आई कैन नॉट एक्सेप्ट। तो आप जो हैं प्लीज कमेंट सेक्शन में लिख दीजिए आपको जो भी बात करनी है। चलिए अब हमारे शो की तरफ चलते हैं। अ वेरी वार्म वेलकम टू यू ऑल इन फ्रीकी फ्राइडे। मैं हूं एंकर आस्था गर्ग, आपकी होस्ट और आपकी दोस्त। और काफी दिन हो गए अब तो, मतलब फ्रीकी फ्राइडे होस्ट करते हुए। अच्छा रिस्पॉन्स आ रहा है, आप लोगों का बहुत सारा प्यार मिल रहा है। आई एम रियली वेरी हैप्पी, थैंक यू सो मच। आज के जो हमारे गेस्ट हैं उनके बारे में मैं आपको बता देती हूँ। हिज नेम इज विशाल, ही इज अ कॉर्पोरेट एमसी, और उसके अलावा भी बहुत कुछ करते हैं। तो वो क्या क्या करते हैं वो हम आपसे बातचीत करवाएंगे। कुछ भी क्वेश्चंस हो विशाल के लिए तो प्लीज राइट देम डाउन इन द कमेंट सेक्शन। चलिए विदाउट फर्दर अडू विशाल को कनेक्ट करते हैं। आई हैव गिवन हिम अ कॉल। ओके, हाय।
Ooh,
नो
hello.
लाइटिंग।
No lighting.
या
Life is bad यार. मैं सोच रहा था मस्त खुले में बैठ के बात करेंगे, but it's too late. Never mind.
या
What's up? What is
नथिंग,
up?
यू टेल मी, हाउ इज
चल रही है
एवरीथिंग?
यार. You know how quarantine life is. It's pathetic.
I don't think it's
Yeah.
pathetic.
No? Why? You're having fun?
Yes, actually, I'm learning a lot. I'm doing different things. My creative side
Nice.
is coming out.
क्या क्या ऐसा क्रिएटिव कर रहे हो आप? मेरे को बताओ, थोड़ा
बहुत कुछ
टिप्स
कर
दो.
रही हूँ, इंस्टाग्राम पे
Because I'm
सब
running
अपलोड
out of
होते हैं।
options.
You should always try to
No,
keep
no, no.
yourself busy.
No, I
कुछ
think
ना
you do
कुछ क्रिएटिव सा
wonderful
करते रहना चाहिए।
wonderful interviews and all. It's really nice. So
Thank
I
you.
wanted to talk. That's why, हाँ, आस्था, like I wasn't a choice, हाँ, मैंने खुद ने बोला था आस्था को कि प्लीज मेरे को लाइव जाना है तुम्हारे साथ. So it probably won't be a very fun filled episode to say.
No, no, no,
What's up,
it
आस्था?
will be. There have been previous episodes as well जहाँ पे मुझे लोगों ने बोला है that they want to be my guest. So that's
Wow.
not an issue. अच्छा, अभी मुझे बताओ, तुम एक जगह बैठ जाओ पहले तो,
अरे यार,
इन प्रॉपर लाइटिंग,
ये सब क्यों करना पड़ता है?
because otherwise people will not be able to see you, right?
True. Sorry, my bad. Good.
हेलो एवरीवन
Is
जिन्होंने भी हमें ज्वाइन करा है। ओके, सो विशाल, सबसे पहले अपना एक छोटा सा इंट्रोडक्शन दे दीजिए। व्हाट डू यू डू?
okay. So मैं विशाल हूँ और मैं एमसी हूँ. मतलब बहुत लोग बहुत मस्त तरीके से सोचते हैं इसके बारे में, बट इट्स कॉल्ड मास्टर ऑफ सेरेमनीज. और हम लोग शोज करते हैं, कॉर्पोरेट शोज करते हैं विद द स्पीकर्स हु इंट्रोड्यूस पीपल, who kind of facilitate the launch of a product or an annual day or a party, whatever. So that is something I do, and I do voiceovers, like pretty pathetic voiceovers also I've done in my life, like South Indian movies, English movies that nobody has watched, and shit like that. Apart from that, yeah, these days I'm into astrology. So I've been doing pretty well. I've been studying it for quite some time now. It's
So you
interesting.
becoming a Baba?
I was always a Baba. It's not like I'm becoming one. It was something with me twisted.
ओके, तो हमारे जितने भी ऑडियंस हैं मैं आपको बता देती हूँ कि वी गो लॉन्ग बैक, ऑल्दो वी हैव नेवर बीन इन कांटेक्ट सो मच। हम लोग कॉलेज में थे एंड आई वाज हिज सीनियर, है ना, 2 साल।
Senior, yes.
यस,
Asta ma'am.
आस्था मैम, but you
Yeah,
can call me आस्था now, that's okay, no issues. अच्छा, तो विशाल वहां से मतलब एमिटी से यहाँ तक की जर्नी कैसी रही, क्या क्या अप्स एंड डाउन्स आए, what
wow.
all did you go through, how did you become an MC, an anchor?
एमसी तो मैं जाके ही बन गया था, मेरे पास पैसा वैसा था नहीं, माँ बाप मेरे को पैसा नहीं देते थे, लगे रहते थे मेरे, तो इस वजह से मैं फटफट शोज वगैरह करने लग गया। बहुत पब्लिक ने मतलब शुरू शुरू में एनकरेज भी नहीं किया, थिंकिंग कि अरे मतलब वील हैव वन मोर कंपटीशन। सो व्हाट दे आस्क्ड मी टू डू इज गो एंड बिकम अ प्रमोटर। अब प्रमोटर वगैरह लोग बेचारे 800,000 रुपया फॉर 8 grueling hours, 10 grueling hours, bad job, they're not appreciated or anything. So I didn't go that way. I just got to score shows and I did it, and it just happened in like my first year in my college. That was a smooth ride. I mean, no
So
problems.
you have been doing anchoring since the first year of Amity.
First year,
Don't tell me.
like first year, I wasn't so good, honestly. Like I wasn't too confident when I started. It
So you
just
were studying and along with your studies, you were doing your job.
yeah. All sorts of so the reason I left Amity was that it had long hours, and I think education is like too too cynical to say कि बस मतलब कॉलेज में क्लास में दिमाग नहीं लगाना है, खाली एग्जाम पास करना और तुम्हारी इंटेलिजेंस की जगह तुम्हारी मेमोरी टेस्ट होना is not a very good system. So I thought that I'll work. So I worked
So
apart from
when
my
did you
college.
leave Amity?
It was probably 2012, 13.
After your first year.
Yeah, right after my first year. I was kind of sad at that university. Like it wasn't my thing.
Okay.
Like 8, 7 hours of education in a day by people frustrated. No.
So how did you get your first show as an anchor?
Uh, uh, I started with college shows. So these colleges are doing it every October to February. There are like various festivals happening in every good college in Bombay, and they're looking for people. And they don't have a lot of budget, but then if you want to start, you want to make your profile, आपको वीडियोस वगैरह बनाने हैं, आपको आपकी स्लाइड शो प्रोफाइल्स बनानी है, सो उसके लिए यू हैव टू गैदर कंटेंट। सो आई डिड अ कपल ऑफ देम, लाइक कॉलेज के शोज किए 5,000-5,000 रुपए में। इट वाज डिसेंट फॉर मी, लाइक घर से भी अच्छा खासा मिलता था, मतलब 20,000 रुपए जिसमें कुछ होता नहीं था, बट देन इतना पैसा वैसा आने लग गया, उस वजह से मैं थोड़ा बिगड़ भी गया, टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट।
Acha, do you
लेकिन that's
remember
how I
Vridhi?
started. Vriddhi, हाँ, of
She
course.
was my classmate.
I follow her also on Insta.
So she is saying, "What's up, you two?" So
What's up? Oh, fuck. All good. How are you, Vriddhi ma'am?
okay, so you're calling
Super
Vriddhi
noise.
Vriddhi ma'am, and you're not calling me Astha ma'am.
You just
Wow.
said you can call me Asta now.
But
I
in
called
the
you ma'am
starting only you
only.
called me Astha. You didn't call me Astha ma'am.
Yeah. Because now, like it used to be like a cultural shock because, like here up north, like seniors are different. We have to call them ma'am or bhaiya or didi. And then like in Bombay, 13-year-old brats call me hey chacha hut. So it's crazy that way. It's been a cultural shock moving so many places.
Acha, Vriddhi is saying you can call her Vriddhi. Don't me ma'am me. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So you did your first show in Bombay or in Jaipur?
बॉम्बे ऑफ कोर्स। इधर तो क्या मिलता था मेरे को, इधर तो मैं परेशान हो जाता था।
ओह, तो इधर क्या करते क्या थे तुम जब
यार
एमिटी में थे?
इधर कुछ कर नहीं पाता था, एक्चुअली मैं रेडियो वगैरह कर रहा था,
ओके.
छुट-पुट। सो ओबी जॉक वगैरह किया, स्पोर्ट्स वगैरह के 1-1 घंटे के वो दिए, और फिर मूड खराब हो गया, कुछ मैच नहीं हो पा रहा था, पढ़ना बहुत ज्यादा होता था, काम करने का बहुत मन था, बहुत चुल था, तो फट फिर काम करना चालू किया। उस गाय, ओहो, people are leaving only, see.
That's okay.
Adya, what's up?
Vidhi is saying शरीफ बनने की जरूरत नहीं है. Just heard how you
Bigato?
बिगाड़ोड.
What bigadoed?
पता नहीं. I didn't get
I got
it.
बिगड़ोड. Oh yeah, शरीफ बनने की जरूरत नहीं है. I got bigdified now in all this process.
नहीं, but I just have a very small memory of you from college. पता नहीं, एक बार you came to talk to me about something, I don't know, we were going somewhere or something. मेरे को बस वो मेमोरी याद है विशाल की, उसके अलावा मेरे को ऐसा कुछ भी याद नहीं है, टू बी वेरी फ्रैंक. तो हाँ, मतलब आई हैव अ गुड मेमोरी ऑफ यू. तो आई डोंट नो कि वो बिगड़ा हुआ बच्चा और सुधरा हुआ बच्चा और हाउ यू आर.
नहीं बताओ पर्सपेक्टिव क्या है बिगड़े सुधरे का मतलब देयर कैन बी
नहीं, आर यू अ
lots of things.
ब्रैट?
I'm not a brat yaar.
स्पॉइल्ड
I'm a
ब्रैट?
nice person. It's just not a spoiled brat. I'm very like I come off as a very arrogant person, which is however not the case. But it just I find so many things so absurd no in life that I prefer not to talk about it.
Oh.
So that kind of creates
नेटवर्क कनेक्शन प्रॉब्लम. ओके, हाय एवरीबॉडी हु ऑल हैव जॉइंड अस. हाँ, चलो बोलो.
क्या बोल रहा था मैं?
ओके, हु
Shit.
हैज बीन योर इंस्पिरेशन?
My inspiration.
या.
I don't think ऐसा कुछ has been my inspiration apart from Adolf Hitler. Always.
Don't tell me Hitler has been your inspiration.
Oh,
How did he?
all-time
How did
favorite.
he inspire you?
He inspired me to be a good speaker. Like, what is possible with this power if you know how to say the right thing at the right time to the right people? You can go anywhere. I think it's a power. So Hitler, hell.
Literal.
Oh,
Okay,
mother.
so you have been working from Delhi since then. Sorry, Bombay since then, right?
I've been working at a lot of places actually. Like recently, I've started a restaurant also in Goa.
Okay.
It's a
Okay.
resto bar. It's in
अरे वाह.
Arambol, Goa. So these things have been running. Side projects have been running. I just
So
go
I
really
think
flex.
if Vriddhi is watching me, if we'll go to Goa, then we'll go to his restaurant and we'll
Oh,
ask for some
absolutely.
discount.
Discount? I'll give you 50% discount.
You
Cool.
should say that I'll feed you for free.
I'll sponsor you only, okay? But business
Thank you,
is
sir.
business, yeah. Come on.
हाँ, but that's
Like
okay.
support
दो
Indian
लोगों को
business.
खिला सकता है तू यार फ्री में, चलेगा. अच्छा,
Cool.
चलो मुझे बताओ 3 things no one knows about you.
3 things no one knows about me. Wow. ऐसा तो पब्लिक को काफी कुछ मालूम है. No one knows about me. तो बहुत difficult है. Like, what about my best friends who know like everything about me? No one knows about.
Okay, 3 things you
It's
cannot
really
live without.
3 things I can't live without. I can't live without books. I can't live without people around me. Like, I'm pretty gregarious. Like, I always need people around me. And I can't live without like my phone. That's for sure. Like, I like my phone. Like, it's like a
Who
wife.
has been your favorite author
Favorite author?
so far?
I think Leo Tolstoy, all-time favorite.
Okay, I'm not much of a reader, so I don't know him.
For fiction, I like people like Dan Brown. Not much of a some mysticism fan. Not side Paulo Coelho and all. But yeah, I think Leo Tolstoy has some connect, some resonation there with me.
Okay, what is the craziest thing anybody has ever done for you?
Craziest thing.
Yeah.
Anybody has ever done for me? Yeah. So there was this one chick I used to date back in probably 2015. So like I was in home. It was 16th, so it was my birthday, and she'd sent like so many flowers and cakes. Like the cake had our pictures printed on them, all those things, and my parents were home. They received them instead. It was really embarrassing, but it was really crazy because Like, I think my parents had a good laugh.
So are you still dating that girl?
Not really. Like, probably she got married like 5-6 times after. So
Oh.
she was quick in the progress. I couldn't be a part of it, sadly.
But that's okay. You'll get a better girl.
Hopefully.
Okay. If your Swayamvar were to take place today, ठीक है? Who are the 3 girls you would love to have there? Have
3 girls
contest with for you.
contest. Like, can they be anyone?
Yes, anyone.
3 girls to have a contest with. What sort of contest is it? Is it a
अरे
debate?
if your Swayamvar were to take place today,
Swayamvar. Oh
do
my
you
god.
know what a Swayamvar is?
Yeah. Oh,
हाँ, तो बस तुम्हारा
display.
अगर स्वयंवर हो रहा है तो ऐसी कौन सी 3 लड़कियां हैं जो तुम चाहते हो कि वहां हो और तुम्हारे लिए compete करें?
Oh, nice. हॉलीवुड से चलेगी क्या पब्लिक?
कुछ भी चले, कोई कहीं से भी चलेंगी, कौन सा
हाँ,
आ रही है वो, सोचने
shit.
में कुछ नहीं जाता.
Happy
There is no
realization.
tax for thinking.
So, I think एमा स्टोन तो चाहिए ही चाहिए भाई अपन को.
हम्म.
और बॉलीवुड वगैरह भी थोड़ा मस्त. दिशा पता नहीं उसको.
Okay.
ले लेना पड़ेगा नाम. कटरीना कैफ. Yeah, big fan. So big fan.
Okay. Okay. If a co-anchor would hit on you, what would you do?
Just play along during the show and leave after it.
Oh, so you'll ditch her after the show.
No, I'll play along because what can I do? Like, I can't be any intense during the job, and then I'll
No,
have
no,
to
I'm
run because
saying so after that show you'll ditch her.
no, I'll run. There's a difference. I'm not ditching it. I'm just scared. Like, I usually don't get into relationships very easily. I'm a very stubborn person. Very difficult to put at one place.
Oh.
Very twisted.
So you're
अजीब
not a
सा अजीब.
ladies' man.
I don't know, seriously. मतलब ये मैं खुद कैसे इसकी टेस्टिमनी दूं?
अच्छा, जब तुम शो करके स्टेज से
मेरी
नीचे उतरते हो, है ना,
हाँ
या फिर घर जाते हो जब शो करके, तो कितनी फ्रेंड रिक्वेस्ट आती है लड़कियों की?
नहीं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता. मैं मेरा वो सब नहीं बताता. मैं
पर नाम तो
वो
बताते हो ना. इट इज वेरी इजी
फेसबुक
टू
पेज वगैरह. हाँ,
इट इज
नाम
वेरी
वगैरह
इजी टू
बताता हूँ.
सर्च.
पता नहीं, लाइक आई डोंट थिंक ऐसा कुछ है मतलब मेरे साथ.
ओके, इन
मेरे को
योर
इतना
इंस्टा
पसंद नहीं करती.
फॉलोअर्स हाउ मेनी आर गर्ल्स एंड हाउ मेनी आर बॉयज?
लड़के ज्यादा है. लाइक 80% आर बॉयज ओनली. आई स्वेयर. या
Oh my god, Vishal, you're
my
so
bros
boring.
my bros love me, man. Brothers forever.
Are you gay?
I just said brothers.
No, if you are, then that's not that's not an issue. I'm just asking. Okay, so you're very boring. This is my conclusion.
Super.
I don't know how you are on
Super.
stage. For that, I'll
No,
have
no,
to
I
host a show with you.
no,
Then
no.
only I'll be
It's
able to know.
I don't know. I'm not too confident with the screen. Like, I'm good on the stage, but when it comes to
I can
like
see that.
a video chat,
But see, अभी क्वारंटीन चल रहा है, राइट? लॉकडाउन चल रहा है, तो देयर इज
सीन खराब है.
कॉर्पोरेट शोज के लिए अभी ये एक ही ऑप्शन है कि आपको वर्चुअल शोज करने पड़ेंगे.
I am hoping मेरे को मिले ही नहीं corporate shows अभी.
Then what will
क्योंकि
you
कैसा हो
do?
रहा है? Like, you can't groom yourself. ऐसा अजीब सा हो रहा है. मतलब
But you'll
I'm
have to work on yourself, na? Keep working on yourself. Keep improving
अरे,
yourself.
to be
Do
very
something or the other.
honest, like I know I've been doing, like, I've been keeping pretty busy. वो वाला बात नहीं है कि
हाँ.
you don't have anything to do, but मेरे को तो अच्छा लग रहा है. It was like a much anticipated break after the hard work that was put in 2019. The market was bad. We had to work really hard और hopeless लग रहा था, but I'm quite happy with the break right now. So it's okay. खुलेगा तो स्टेज पे जाने का अलग मजा है यार. मतलब even if the conference happens like this, like, उतना मजा नहीं है. I'm sure like every anchor with every other MC will agree कि नहीं, that's not as fun as it
But
used to
you'll
be.
have to find some loopholes, right? To work.
To work, sure. I mean, yeah, absolutely.
Because I am getting virtual shows and I'm loving it. So
Yeah.
you should keep on doing something or the other.
No, live shows only, Baba. Seriously, I've been really picky. I'm telling you now, matlab. I
Okay,
know
but that's okay.
it's not very ambitious of me to do so, but this is what I like. Like I joined this profession because I liked it. So I don't know. बाकी पैसे वैसे वाइज मेरे को सीरियसली टेंशन नहीं है मतलब मस्त है सब लाइफ में तो मैं ब्रेक ले पा रहा हूँ अफोर्ड कर पा रहा हूँ ठीक है
Okay, Vishal, if you don't mind me asking, how old are you?
26 I'll be 27 this year hopefully out of quarantine
Okay, three people whose call you will answer no matter what you are in the middle of.
3 people
Hmm.
who I
जिनके कॉल आप हमेशा अटेंड करेंगे नो मैटर आप कितना भी बिजी हैं या किसी भी वर्क के बीच में आप स्टक हैं.
yeah my mom
Hmm.
my best friend Munche
मुंजे.
and yeah
Okay.
Harshvardhan Munche my best friend so
Okay.
like, he's not popular it's okay mm. And my mom's not also popular, yeah. And who else? Wow, fuck, I'm such a loner. My sister then.
Vishal, I think you need to make a good
Mental.
girlfriend. You need to find a
No.
good
I
girlfriend
was
who's
dating like
happy, who's cheerful.
until like 2019. It was like I was dating. It
Huh.
was quite serious. Like we could have gotten engaged also. But
Oh.
no. The amount of expectations was like too high. Like it meant not traveling much anymore. And I think I wasn't ready for it and she was hurrying into things and it just kind of didn't work so happens but ऐसा कुछ honestly मेरे
तो
को कुछ
अच्छा अभी
जल्दी
तो
नहीं है
मूविंग ऑन वाले फेज में इतना इसलिए लो साउंड कर रहे हो.
ऐसा लो वगैरह साउंड नहीं कर रहा मतलब इट्स ब्लै ओनली आई विल बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट मतलब अभी का टाइम ऐसा है ना आई एम एन एक्सट्रोवर्ट और हार्डकोर मुझे बुरा लगता है मतलब ऐसे घर पे बैठे रहना मेरी कभी आदत नहीं थी और ये अभी तक एक्सेप्ट नहीं हो पा रहा है व्हेन स्पेशली पीपल हैव स्टार्टेड रोमिंग आउटसाइड कितनी पब्लिक है बाहर हैव यू सीन एंजॉय कर रही है पब्लिक खेल वेल रहे हैं साथ में क्रिकेट एंजॉय फुल
ओके चलो. What do you hope to achieve by the age of 50?
50
Yeah.
oh I want to retire like not do anything like go anywhere I want matlab have enough money that's all to live for next 50 years also if possible
Okay, if I give you a chance to pick between money and fame, what would you pick?
money any day
You don't want fame.
matlab not at the cost of money matlab
Okay,
I don't
good
mind
answer.
fame also but paisa chahiye
Okay, what is your guilty pleasure?
my guilty pleasure
Hmm.
uh, I fight feminists, not feminists, but feminazis on the internet. Like, it's I
Why?
have a pro because they're feminazis, not feminists. They're not doing you any favor. Like they're kind of depreciating the very essence of it.
Okay,
So I fight
the
with them, man.
weirdest pet name you have ever received by someone?
Pet name, uh, Chotu.
Toto is not
So
weird.
Chotu is weird for me because like I'm not a Chotu. So people were like, yeah, hey Chotu.
Okay, who would
Chotu.
you call for career advice?
Who would I call? Lokesh sir, Lokesh Guliani sir, always.
Me too.
Yeah, still my mentor. Like,
Uh, he was my
sorted.
mentor as well when I
Yeah,
was in third year and I was doing my project. So he was my
he
mentor.
he was a support, yeah, matlab, always for everyone who needed it.
Actually. And when
Nice
I became
person.
an anchor, when I did my first show, so I did my first show in Ajmer only. So I gave a call to a few of the anchors who were already present over here. So they didn't help me. They didn't want to help me. They didn't tell me anything. Then I gave a call to Lokesh sir. That sir, please guide me. कि क्या करना चाहिए, थोड़ा गाइडेंस दीजिए. देन ही एक्चुअली मतलब गेव मी सम पॉइंटर्स कि ऐसे ऐसे करना, ये सब क्वेश्चंस यू कैन आस्क. तो दैट वाज रियली हेल्पफुल. तो
हाँ
अगर एंकरिंग फील्ड में कोई भी आ रहा है, जो भी लोग हमें देख रहे हैं या बाद में देखेंगे, तो उन्हें मैं बता देना चाहती हूँ कि देयर आर नॉट मेनी पीपल हु विल सपोर्ट यू, हु वुड लाइक यू टू परस्यू योर करियर एज एन एंकर. बट आप में अगर वो जील है और अगर आप बनना चाहते हैं, तो यू विल हैव टू वर्क ऑन योर सेल्फ. दैट्स इट.
या एब्सोल्युटली. लेकिन काम बहुत ही अच्छा है, मतलब इट्स वेरी
हम्म.
it's a nice profession. It has such a certain humility to it that you kind of, you know, put a light on everyone else who comes on the stage to perform, less yourself. Like you kind of remain in the background and keep the show, working. So it's quite fulfilling to be an MC. It's fun. Like people
Yeah,
appreciate you. You go down the stage.
actually. Okay, who would you call for relationship advice?
Relationship advice. No. I think I'm okay. Like I'm pretty sound with what I want in a
Okay.
relationship. So I don't think anybody's relationship working so well. So I don't want to do
Okay.
that.
ओके. चलिए, व्हाट हैबिट्स, ठीक है, इसके बीच में 3 कैटेगरीज है. सॉरी, इसके बाद में व्हाट हैबिट्स आर यू गिल्टी और नॉट गिल्टी ऑफ. ठीक है, आई विल गिव यू तीन चीजें और उसमें से आपको बताना है कि यू डू इट और यू नो डोंट डू इट. फर्स्ट,
Okay.
क्लीनिंग एंड रीअरेंजिंग थिंग्स अराउंड यू.
Fuck all I am at it. Matlab, my books, my things are never arranged. Like, and I like them that way.
ओके.
But it
यू.
like I like cleanliness because I can't stand dust. So it's clean but not arranged. Never.
ओके. ओके. यूजिंग फिल्टर्स टू एडिट योर पिक्चर्स.
I do use filters.
ओके. चेकिंग योर गर्लफ्रेंड्स फोन.
Never. No.
सही है. ओके. ओके. डू यू टेंड टू गूगल योर प्रॉब्लम्स ऑन गूगल.
Has to be Google. Yeah, of course. Like how to fix things, how to do this and that. My mental problems are
मतलब जो
unknown. I
पर्सनल
don't know.
प्रॉब्लम्स होती है ना कि यार मेरा ब्रेकअप हो गया, अब मैं क्या करूं, तो डू यू टेंड टू सर्च इट ऑन गूगल.
No.
नो.
No. I don't think like since people have a very different perspective, they have a very different idea of the reality. So I don't trust anybody else's perspective to work on my individual reality. It's very weird.
ओके. व्हाट डू यू ऑलवेज प्रोक्रेस्टिनेट ऑन.
I procrastinate on work. I think I'm stupidly lazy. Like if something can be done today, it might as well be done tomorrow. I feel serious issues.
ओके. नाउ डू यू हैव द कॉपी एंड मार्कर व्हिच आई आस्क्ड यू टू कीप विद यू.
Hopefully, I left it outside only.
अच्छा. नाउ यू विल हैव टू
Yeah,
कीप
yeah.
योर फोन एक जगह पर, ठीक है,
Hot
बिकॉज यू विल
air.
बी यूजिंग योर हैंड्स.
Yeah. I guess.
ओके.
Hot air.
एवरीबॉडी, जब तक विशाल जो है अपना चूज कर, सॉरी, ढूंढ लेते हैं
Yeah.
कॉपी पेन, मैं आपको बता देती हूँ व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू डू. हम लोग एक गेम खेलने वाले हैं, पिक्चनरी, और इसमें जो है हम लोग एक एक ऑब्जेक्ट ड्रॉ करेंगे एंड द अदर पर्सन विल गेस कि हम कौन सा ऑब्जेक्ट ड्रॉ कर रहे हैं. जो लोग हमें देख रहे हैं वो भी गेस कर सकते हैं कि व्हाट वी आर ड्रॉइंग.
Cool.
चलो.
Yeah. Shall I do this?
यू हैव टू कीप योर फोन वर्टिकली.
Oh shit, then I'll have to disconnect.
व्हाई.
No, I'll have to the cord for my earphones. Is it cool now?
या.
Cool. So here's my book,
ओके.
my pen.
चलो, यू गो. फर्स्ट थिंग यू कैन ड्रॉ. हम लोग गेस करेंगे, आई विल ऑल्सो गेस, और जितने भी ऑडियंस है वो गेस करेंगे कि आप क्या ड्रॉ कर रहे हैं.
Cool. I'll draw.
हाँ,
कितना टाइम मिलेगा गेस करने के लिए?
तुम करो तो सही, देखते हैं।
हाँ।
थोड़ा बड़ा ड्रॉ करना।
मेरे को दिख ही नहीं रहा।
इज इट अ फोर्ट?
Yes, it's a fort.
सी हाउ गुड आई एम। ओके, माय
Very
टर्न।
good. Super.
ठीक है, माय टर्न।
Hmm.
कैन यू सी?
It's a road. It's a
नो,
street.
नो,
Parallel line.
नो।
It's a mic. A
यस,
microphone.
यस।
Super. Okay.
ओके, नेक्स्ट।
Uh,
हाय परी, हाउ आर यू?
hmm,
नेक्स्ट, यू ड्रॉ।
what was it? Okay.
आई कांट सी।
Yeah.
नो, स्टिल आई कांट सी।
Yeah.
हाँ।
Okay.
क्या है ये?
No.
इट्स अ गोल्फ क्लब।
Yeah, it's a club. Yeah.
ओके, नेक्स्ट, माय
Your
टर्न। ओके,
turn. It's a car.
यस।
So easy. It's like nursery. Take a tough one now. Chalo, I'll take
यार,
a
आई
tough
डोंट।
one.
ओके, नेक्स्ट विल बी अ लिटिल बिट टफर।
Hopefully.
हाँ,
See here. Can you see?
हाँ, आई कैन सी। डोरेमोन।
Doraemon. No.
टेडी बेयर।
No, what does it look like?
फ्रॉग।
Yeah, it's a frog.
Oh, you are really good at drawing, Vishal. I didn't know. Very nice. चलो, my turn.
Okay.
I try to draw. ठीक है?
What's that? It's a brick.
No,
No, it's a house. It's a
no,
bed.
no,
It's an ICU bed. Oh, fuck.
no,
Is that a building under construction?
no.
Yeah, people are also giving right answers. Yeah, nice audience. Good,
ऑडियंस का कुछ
smart people.
काम
It's a
है कि
hospital
नहीं?
bed.
ऑडियंस का काम है ना, बताइए कि हम क्या ड्रॉ कर रहे हैं। No, it's not a hospital bed. I'm trying to draw something else.
That is feet. It's an aquarium, fish tank.
No,
What the hell is this?
you asked me to draw something hard.
It's a
Now you have
cradle.
to
It's a
guess.
cradle for the baby.
No.
What do you call it? It's a stage. Oh my god, those are
Yes,
lies.
it's a stage. Wow.
Oh man. Okay, okay. Can you see?
Yes.
Oh motherfucker.
Brick wall.
Nope. Bloody pen misbehaving. Never mind.
I cannot
All
see.
pens. All pens misbehaving. I don't have a pen. My pen, yeah, pen works. Yeah.
But I cannot see your
Can
drawing.
can you recognize this? What's this?
No.
No? No?
No.
Even not now.
Anybody else? Can anybody help me?
What is that?
Okay, अनबीटेबल प्रिंस ने बता दिया था कि I was drawing a stage. तुमसे पहले बताया था या बाद में बताया था? Or did you copy his answer?
Possibly, I could have possibly copied. No, you can't. What is this? No,
No.
it looks weird.
Music notes.
Yes, it's a music note.
Yes, ये हमें आंसर दिया है अफजल जी ने.
अफजल, full power.
Okay, last one from my side, ठीक है? This one is going to be very easy. अच्छा, ये audience के लिए विशाल, you don't guess.
Yes, queen.
Audience, please answer. What am I trying to draw? सब आंसर मैं ही दे रहा हूँ. लेट दे रहे हो. ओ, पहले बताया था. हाँ जी, प्रिंस यूर राइट. आपने पहले बताया था. ये क्या बनाया मैंने?
बतख.
Vishal, you tell me what this is.
It's a बतख, bro.
It's not a batak.
It's a pot.
Yes, bro. It's a jar. Oh my god.
It's a jar.
Yes. चलो, अब जो है, let's move on to the special element of Freaky Friday. I don't know तुमने पहले के एपिसोड्स पूरे देखे या नहीं देखे हैं? देखे?
नहीं, सारे मतलब पूरा नहीं देखा. जब लाइव रहे हो तभी.
हाँ, तो एंडिंग में what I do is I do a little bit of crazy dance with my guest. ठीक है? So I'll play a song. उस पे you will dance and I will copy you. Then I'll play another song. उस पे I will dance and you will copy me. Okay?
No, not okay. I've just been telling you.
नहीं. But this is surprise element Freaky Friday का. You cannot say no. ठीक है. I'll dance. Okay. हल्का फुल्का. हाँ, हल्का फुल्का. 10-20 सेकंड बस. Cool. Super. ठीक है. Any song will do? Yeah. Your choice. Any good chalo, song. Stand up. Yeah. How will I? Keep your phone on the table and just stand. Yeah. Can I do it like this? Yeah. Okay. Can you hear the song? Gully. Your turn. वो कितना नाचेंगे एलिस्ट नहीं आपको पास. चलो नेक्स्ट आई विल प्ले अ सॉन्ग. ठीक है? उस पे यू विल कॉपी मी. फुल.
अब बात करें अपने मनपसंद प्रोफाइल से बिना अपना फोन नंबर शेयर करें.
इस पे यू हैव टू डांस. You must dance in Shahid.com. Dance in Shahid.com. Have not. गली में Yeah. Super cool.
Nice.
Yeah. Wow, yeah.
Did you
So
enjoy?
nice. Yeah, absolutely. Like I haven't danced in like a very long while.
Okay.
I'm sure like you do really well on stage because you have that energy. If you can make me dance sitting at my home, then I'm sure like you can make Modi also dance.
Actually खुद की क्या तारीफ करूं, but yes, मैंने खुद की तारीफें काफी सुनी है. That
Full
I'm a
full.
good host. I'm
सुनना ही
a
चाहिए.
great entertainer.
Superb.
So next time जब तुम्हारे पास ऑप्शन आए कोई फीमेल एंकर्ड एमसी को बुलाने का, तो do give me a call.
Always. मेरे को मतलब बहुत after like a while only, probably 2-3 years ago only I came to know that you've done this. अगर पहले मालूम होता तो like we could have done like good associations, nice good shows.
But I started very late. I even started college के एक दो साल बाद में.
Okay, but nice.
मुझे अभी 5 साल ही
Very
हुए
cool.
हैं एंकरिंग करते हुए.
Okay, nice. Very nice, supremely nice. But what do
Okay.
you think? See, everyone, you interview everyone. I have a couple of questions also.
Okay.
Like, what do you think about, you know, so people don't encourage professions and everything, like offbeat professions so much, but people are not wrong. One of their apprehensions are pretty much right in their own way. So, like, what do you think about this occupation in the long run, like say in your 40s and 30s? Like, do
No,
you
I cannot be a host. I cannot be a professional host in my 40s and 50s because yeah, I'll have that lines and everything. But see, it's a good start for anybody who wants to be a public speaker.
yeah, very good.
You can take your career as an anchor from anchoring to being a public speaker or being a RJ,
Absolutely.
or you can even go in a different direction. Like you have opened your own restaurant, so you can become a business person. This is not a long term thing. I don't think so. But yeah, you can do it for a pretty long time, and if you gain your name, then people
Yeah,
will trust you.
absolutely.
Like in Ajmer, people know me that yes, आस्था कौन है सब जानते हैं. तो आपका जो नाम वैल्यू है वो चलेगा बाद में. So
बराबर.
this profession will give you a value.
But do you also think कि ये impart भी करना चाहिए as a good host? You have this duty to, you know, help people get rid of claustrophobia, their fear of the stage, and be open. You know, be able to speak in front of a lot of people.
See, what I can tell you is I'm very moody. I'm super moody, and I'm very much choosy about people. So if I like somebody, then I will help him or her. If I don't like somebody, then I will straightforward say no.
Yeah.
I'm like that. So if I like somebody, तो मैं बहुत help करती हूँ. पर अगर नहीं पसंद कोई इंसान, तो मैं मतलब किसी का vibe अच्छा नहीं लगता, तो I just say no, sorry, I cannot help you. That's it.
No, but I think if you share the things you have learned so far in your occupation, I think it can help a lot of people, like people in the corporates also, like giving good presentations, that pitch they always want to nail.
You can become a motivational speaker. That's what you're trying to tell me.
That's not motivational speaker. That's just corporate training, like vocational skill training in a way.
Corporate training. Yes, you can do it. And I don't know about me, but I have a friend who's my best friend. He's also an anchor, and he is a pretty well motivational speaker. Although he doesn't, he's like very lazy. But recently, एक school में he gave his sessions for 3 days, and people were like glued to the chairs. They were listening to him like anything. So that's a big accomplishment. So it depends on person to person. See, everybody cannot motivate people.
Yeah.
There are many anchors. So 80%, 90% of them cannot motivate others because they only think about themselves.
Yeah.
So a person who only thinks about themselves will never help anybody else.
Sure.
A person who's a humanitarian, that person will only help others. So it's a game of personality.
Interesting. But what is personality then? How is it formed? Is it a conscious choice to make a
Yes.
personality? Is it a
Yes.
conscious choice? So if you had to be deciding between, say, two different ice creams,
Hmm.
chocolate ice cream and strawberry ice cream,
Hmm.
which one would you choose?
Both. First
Both of
strawberry,
them.
then chocolate.
Had to be one choice, matlab. If you had to
Strawberry ice
pick
cream.
one, strawberry.
Strawberry ice
Why?
cream.
Like, is it a
Because
conscious
I like
choice?
strawberry, love strawberry ice cream.
You love strawberry, but is it a conscious choice?
Yes.
You don't think this might be hereditary, like you just
No.
acquired it from your parents? No.
No, it's not. Because my parents don't even eat ice cream.
Oh, is it? Nice. Okay. But I think it's more deeply rooted than that. Like me, say me liking popcorn over potato chips is something that I haven't like chosen consciously कि अच्छा हाँ मैं ये popcorn पसंद करता हूँ ज़्यादा, मतलब popcorn तो मुझे पसंद ही था हमेशा से. So it's not a conscious choice. I think there is more to our personality than that.
तो तुम्हें क्या लगता है पर्सनालिटी इज ओनली अबाउट चॉइसेस?
No, it's not about choices. I think there is uh, there is a lot of brain activity that we quite don't understand, and it's constantly
Obviously.
happening. It's constantly happening even before we make a
No.
decision.
Everyone understands themselves. हर इंसान खुद को समझ पाता है, वो बस ऐसा प्रिटेंड करता है कि हम नहीं समझ रहे. If
कितना
you
to
sit
what
with yourself
to what degree is the awareness?
100% तक आपको पता होता है कि आप कैसे हो, आप क्या चाहते हो, आप क्या नहीं चाहते हो. ठीक है, you know yourself pretty well, but in front of others you just pretend that you don't know. That's what people do.
Is it?
Yeah.
Shit, I've been
Give it
living
a
a lie
thought.
then. Cool then. No, but then choice, I'm saying, how does it arrive? So either if you believe in the theory of evolution that we have evolved from apes, right? It's been successive. Then your intelligence, whatever you can see, perceive, think, is also hereditary, right? You have obtained it. Of course, like then the entire theory of evolution fails if
But every
if we
person
haven't
is different,
inherited.
Vishal. Every person is
They are
different.
they are different because there are some of two different individuals, like
See, what
in the making of their
see,
DNA.
ठीक है, एक बात मैं तुम्हें बताती हूँ. I don't know about the theory of evolution or not. What I know about myself and people around me is change is constant, right? You believe in change? Change is constant.
Yeah,
Every person changes with time and age.
but change
What
is
I
also
believe
recurring.
change is, in a person, change is always negative. You always opt for the negative changes. Okay. But when you want to indulge a positive change in your life, then you'll have to work hard.
But
This is
then,
what I have experienced with myself. For example,
but then
when I was in college, I never used to say no. Okay? If anybody wants to borrow something from me, I never used to say no. If anybody wanted to borrow money from me, I never said no. Even though I didn't feel good about it, but I never said no. And
shit,
after
I should
that,
have
when I
known that
gave the
in
money
college.
away, huh?
I should have known that in college. I would have asked you money every week.
नहीं, but after that आप पैसा देके खुद ही फंस जाते हो ना, because when you ask
It's
back
a
for your
process
money,
then.
then it feels like you are begging for it.
Yeah, true.
So I changed myself. I started saying no. Right, but over the years, it became I became too much blunt. So that is a negative change only, but it was positive for me. But now I have realized that बहुत ज़्यादा negativity हो गया है, तो थोड़ा positivity लाना पड़ेगा. तो उसके लिए you'll have to work on yourself. That's what I'm telling you.
But then, do you see if the metric is hard work, if the metric of success, yeah, or someone working on himself or his development in life, if the metric is only hard work, then you would see all the people, all these laborers and all, they work the hardest, like 10 hours, 12 hours, but then the results aren't the same. So hard work cannot be a metric towards anything. There are people who actually don't like working a lot, so they look for ways that can make them passive sources of income, and they really don't say much about hard work. So I think it depends. A lot of people who have good luck and good fortune often kind of just don't look on the shadows because they're facing the light.
No, but
So I
luck
think
also works
it's good to
only.
see all perspectives.
No, but luck also works only if you work hard. See, God only help
See,
those who help themselves.
पहले तो like this invisible concept of God,
I to believe
it's
in
all,
it.
but
I
I
believe
also
it.
believe, but it's
I'm a hard
always
believer.
at help.
ओके, कुछ शायद नेटवर्क इश्यू है विशाल के साथ में फ्रॉम अ साइड. एनीबडी एल्स, जो लोग देख रहे हैं, 2-3 लोग कुछ पूछना चाहते हैं मुझसे, तो प्लीज राइट देम डाउन इन योर कमेंट सेक्शन. ओके, सो विशाल लेफ्ट. ऑल्दो वैसे भी हमारा टाइम भी खत्म होने वाला था हमारे इंटरव्यू का. सो बहुत मजा आया आप सबके साथ में. ओके, वापस कनेक्ट करते हैं विद विशाल. हाँ,
क्या हुआ है?
कॉल आ
क्या
गया
बोले?
था.
क्या बोले?
मैं
आपको होना
तुम्हारा
क्या था
कॉल आ
यार?
गया था.
हाँ यार,
अच्छा, तो
अभी
हमारा
करते
जो
रहते
टाइम
ना
है वो
आजकल
खत्म
करके
होने
फोन.
वाला है. तो लेट्स वाइंड इट अप रियल सून, है ना. वी
या
हैव
सुपर
ओनली 5 minutes left. So did you have fun in Freaky Friday?
सुपर फन. आई लव्ड इट. मतलब इससे मेरे को I think I can be back talking to people on Instagram again.
You got
Full गया मैं थोड़ा
ideas.
सा. Yeah, full. Enjoy.
Chalo, that's cool. You can even watch my previous episodes for more ideas, because I play a different
But
game in
how
every
will
episode.
how will I find them? Like your live sessions?
They are on my IGTV videos in my profile,
Okay.
and they are also
Okay.
on my YouTube channel.
Very working hard, madam. You are.
Yes.
Superb. God bless you.
I like to work hard on myself.
Perfect.
Chalo,
Superb.
bye.
So
It was nice talking to you. बहुत मजा
yeah.
आया.
Super ही मजा आ गया. मैं तो हंस के पागल हो गया.
Oh.
No, but then when there are some days when I'm like extremely charged. If there's such a day now, I'll call you and I'll interview on Instagram. It's gonna be
Sure.
fun, like super fun.
Sure.
Today I'm like super drained as my eyes burn and everything. I'm a little stoned also. So thank you so much for
Welcome.
making me the guest at Freaky Friday. It was fun. We had a lot of fun, and I'm gonna promote your ID with my
Thank
friends
you.
also, so they can join you in the further sessions.
And thank you for
Have
accepting
fun.
my invitation.
Superb. All
चलो,
superb.
bye. Take
चलो,
care.
bye.
घर पे रहना.
You
safe
too.
रहना.
Yeah. क्या करे अभी और करेगा भी क्या यार. लाइफ खराब है.
Okay, so this was Vishal. We had a great time with him. बहुत मजा आया. अच्छा गया हमारा आज का session as well. And I was your host for the hour. My name is Anka Rasthagar. ये जो episode है खत्म होने के बाद आप मेरे IGTV वीडियो में देख सकते हैं. And apart from it, मैं इसको मेरा YouTube चैनल पे भी अपलोड कर दूंगी. So you can have a look at it over there as well. Thank you so much. मिलते हैं next Friday on Freaky Friday. Bye bye. Take care everybody. Safe रहिए please. Take all the precautions against coronavirus. और अपने माइंड को चार्ज अप रखिए. डिप्रेशन में नहीं जाना है. बाय.